Hi, my name is Achini. Welcome back to Achini's Show Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to cook simple and easy lamb curry. So, without further ado, let's get started. I learned this one when I was in Malaysia. One of the old grannies from village, she taught me. So, let's see. Yeah, first of all, we are going to clean our meat, and then I cut them into small pieces. Here I'm adding some vinegar, about 7 to 8 tablespoons of vinegar, and mix well and let it get soaked in that vinegar for about 15 minutes. This step you cannot skip. This will enhance your dish so much. So here I'm mixing it now. Let it get soaked in that vinegar for 15 minutes, and then after 15 minutes wash it thoroughly and drain the water. This takes away all the smells from that meat. Here I'm adding some salt, and I'm going to add some turmeric powder, or some may call it yellow powder, and then about 3/4 cups of yogurt or curd if you have plain yogurt or plain curd, and mix it well and let it get marinated for about an hour. Keep it in the fridge for about an hour before you start cooking. Here I'm going to grind my ginger, garlic and onion. Lots of garlic, lots of ginger and big onion. So this is the small grinder I'm going to use today to grind my ginger, garlic, onion. This is the best tool I have in my kitchen. So here it's grind. So I'm going to add some curry leaves here. If you don't have curry leaves, no problem. You always can use some coriander leaf. If that is also not there, then it's okay, no problem, don't worry. So I mixed everything together again with ginger, garlic, onion, that curry leaves also. Here we start cooking now. I add some oil here. Don't add too much, just about 2 tablespoons. And here I'm adding all my ginger, garlic, onion. This is more than 1.5 cups of ginger, garlic, onion, like a lots, like almost about 50 grams of ginger, around like 12 cloves of garlic and 1 large onion. So let it get sauteed for about 5 minutes until it turns slightly brown. So after 5 minutes of frying that in that oil, so we are going to add our meat now. Marinated lamb here. So here there is about 570 grams of lamb here. Mix well. Here I'm going to add some cardamom powder now, about a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1 teaspoonful of cinnamon powder. Quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder. One teaspoon cinnamon powder. Mix well. Don't add any water. That lamb and also lamb is also, it starts to release its fat so the oil is it will be oily, you know, so don't add any water now. Let that everything to get cooked in that fat and the ginger garlic onion paste for another 10-15 minutes, you know, like you don't have to add water, just let it cook in that fat. So here I covered it and I'm going to cook it for about another 10 minutes. So in between, just go and mix it once or twice. Keep the heat at the medium heat. I'm going to add my potatoes, mix again and again, let it cook for another 5-10 minutes again. This is my very special roasted curry powder. I made it at home, my own. So I will put the recipe for that. If you go to my channel, you can see that special roasted curry powder for meat. So I add about 3 tablespoons from that. So this dish I like to be little more spicier, so I add about a tablespoon separate chili powder and mix well and let it cook. Don't add water, just let it get cooked from that fat and that oil, whatever we add at the earlier. That's it, don't add anything else. This pandang, I cannot find pandang leaves here, so I'm adding pandang essence, about 2-3 drops, but it's not a must. If you have, please add about 2-3 drops there. You can see there's nice fat layer of fat and oily, and it's so nice. The smell is so good around here now. I think now this is after about 17 minutes. I think I can add some water now, so I'm going to wash that marinated dish with 1 cup of water. I'm going to add here now. Yeah, let's add that water now here. And another cup of water, so altogether 2 cups of water. And cover and cook again for another 15 minutes. So if you like, you can always can use a pressure cooker, but I don't like to use pressure cooker. I never use pressure cooker for any of my food. I always just cook like this only. This is altogether after about 40 minutes cooking altogether. So I'm going to add my tomatoes, cook for another 5-6 minutes. So I covered and cooked for 6 minutes with tomatoes. Now I'm almost done. So check the salt taste and chili for your taste, salt to your taste, and here I'm adding some coriander leaves to garnish. And the last thing what I wanted to add is some jalapeno, but if you like, you can add the whole jalapeno, but I don't want it enough spice in my dish, so I just wanted to add few pieces from this jalapeno. So around 3-4 pieces I just cut into small rings and I add here a few pieces. That is it, and then you can eat this beautiful, delicious gourmet dish with anything, with rice, with naan bread, however you like. So please give it a try. Let me know your feedback. Till I see you with my next video. Stay safe and take care, and bye bye to everybody.